Okay, so I just fired up my Husqvarna 430X automower for the very first time. Wanted to make a video here in the US. This is a pretty technical yard. It's about 0.7 acres. I believe this Husqvarna is rated for 0.8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I just started this up. I do not have a guide wire, just a boundary wire. You can kind of see where I buried that. I'll walk you through that and let you know. As you can kind of hear it running, it doesn't hardly make any noise. And I'll kind of walk you around my boundary. This is going to be kind of a lengthy video, my apologies. But just to kind of show you the yard, you can kind of see the trench where I buried. I got a bunch of crap in the yard. It's about to hit another boundary wire there and get going. I was reading online, probably take about 10 to 12 hours for a yard this size. So yeah, I'll kind of walk you through and show you. This is just starting. I haven't even had a cut yet in this year. This is late April here in West Michigan. I'm going to kind of walk you through the boundary wire, and I'll kind of give you a play-by-play of how it all works out. But my boundary wire comes around here. You can fast forward if you'd like. If not, that's fine. I don't have any islands for the trees. This is just kind of lazy, man, because it was a large burial, so I just figured I'd run the boundary and see what we end up with. Gotta add some stone there. As you can see, we just got some rain. Boundary wire comes back around, comes up, and then I'd come down here. Down. Kind of see I got off track, but the left one is the one where the boundary wire actually is. I don't know if I'm going to need to rake this out or what. I rented a trencher from a Caledonia rental, and that worked really well. It saved me a lot of time burying it by hand. What I did is I come up there, and then it comes down here. Comes back up the drive. So it shouldn't hit the driveway at all. Comes back up. I won't walk you all the way down there. And then comes down the drive here. And then on up. You can kind of see my boundary wire line there a little bit. Buried it just a few days ago. Here you can see I got the I opted to get the housing unit, and then the burial cable. This will probably all be mulched, I'm not sure, we'll see how it turns out. Again, comes around. Got all my kids' bikes. I just cleaned that under porch area. Comes up and around the sandbox. I have a bunch of kids, so as you can tell. And then this is where I just was there on the side of the shop. Burial comes down here. And this is where I'm curious if it'll make it up this hill or not. This is probably the steepest portion. You can see it runs up, down and back around. I hope you're not getting sick. I gotta get my wood pile taken care of. Comes up, down, and around, and back along here. Over to my neighbor's yard. It runs straight down. You can kind of see I got a little cattywampus. I want to mow over this way. These trees aren't part of my property, but I usually help take care of that. So it's all clean. Looks like I had a little bit too much to drink as I was running that trencher, or that barrier. Comes up around the swing here. kind of see the trench, and it runs all the way back. So again, you kind of saw a little bit of my grass. I have a little bit of a steep hill there. You can kind of see the condition of the yard right now. There are some spots I need to fill that are low. We'll see how it climbs up over all this stuff. And also this has the GPS unit, so it will show exactly where it's coming and going. You can kind of see the tracks of it now. And we shall see how she works. I'm gonna have to go around the yard and pick up. But I'll just kind of give you an update and let you know how it goes. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comments below, and hopefully this makes it so I don't have to mow my lawn anymore. Thanks for watching.